Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable to you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will be encouraging our body to relax, one part at a time. Begin with your feet. Choose just one foot to focus on, instead of focusing on both. Start by relaxing the toes of this one foot. Now let the muscles in the bottom of your foot soften. Turn your attention to your other foot now. Relax your toes, and now soften the bottom of your foot. Relaxing, softening. Focus on one leg now. Use your breath to relax it, nice and heavy. Now the other leg. Let it feel heavy and soft. Your legs should feel heavy now. Heavy and heavier. Breathe in deeply, and on the exhale, relax the muscles in your belly. Now, move your attention higher and imagine what it might feel like to relax the muscles around your heart. Relax your shoulders so that they fall down away from your ears. Focus on just one arm now. Let that arm feel heavy, heavier, even more relaxed. Now the other arm, nice and heavy, heavier. Relax it fully. Focus on one hand now. Soften all the muscles in your hand. Let your fingers feel loose and your hand feel heavy. Now the other hand. Relax the fingers. Soften the hand. Let it feel heavy. Move your attention up to your head now. Soften your jaw. Soften your mouth. Relax the tongue. Let your cheeks feel heavy. Relax your eyes so that they are closed softly. Soften the muscles between your eyebrows. Imagine what it would feel like to relax the muscles behind your eyes. Now the very top of your head. What might it feel like for the skin or scalp at the top of your head to tingle and relax fully? relax your whole body now. Relax fully, heavier, more deeply, nice and relaxed. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.